EDC key organizers are compact and efficient solutions for managing keys and small tools. These minimalist devices are designed to eliminate jangling keys, prevent pocket bulges, and ensure easy access. EDC key organizers streamline organization, making them a popular choice for individuals seeking convenience and a tidy pocket carry. Links to all the products mentioned in this video can be found in the description below. Now let's get started. Number 10. Leo Smartkey Organizer, the ultimate solution to declutter your keychain and simplify your daily life. This innovative organizer is meticulously designed to bring convenience, organization, and style to your key carrying needs. Crafted from high-quality materials, it offers a durable and sleek platform to securely store your keys, eliminating jingling and uncomfortable pocket bulges. The Leo Smartkey Organizer features a quick access system that allows you to effortlessly find the right key in an instant, making locking and unlocking doors a breeze. With its expandable design, it accommodates various key sizes and accessories, ensuring all your essentials are neatly organized. Whether you're a busy professional, a frequent traveler, or just someone who values a tidy key setup, the Leo Smartkey Organizer is your key to a more organized and efficient daily routine. Upgrade your keychain and experience the benefits of simplicity and style with Leo. Number 9. Victorinox Swiss Tool Spirit X Swiss Army Pocket Knife, the embodiment of Swiss precision and versatility in your pocket. This multi-tool is meticulously crafted to meet the demands of modern adventurers, die enthusiasts, and professionals alike. It features an array of essential tools, from pliers to screwdrivers, knives to wire cutters, all designed to tackle a wide range of tasks. The Swiss Tool Spirit X is constructed with premium stainless steel, ensuring durability and reliability even under demanding conditions. Its compact and foldable design makes it easy to carry in your pocket or on your belt, making it your trusted companion for everyday tasks, outdoor adventures, and emergencies. Elevate your EDC experience with a Swiss Army pocket knife that's built to perform, and trust in the Swiss legacy of craftsmanship and quality with the Victorinox Swiss Tool Spirit X. Number 8. Bellroy Key Cover, a sleek and functional solution to transform your key organization. This meticulously designed key cover combines style and practicality to streamline your everyday carry. Crafted from premium environmentally certified leather, it offers a sophisticated look and a comfortable feel in your hand. The Bellroy key cover features a magnetic closure system that keeps your keys neatly secured, preventing jingling and scratching against other items in your pocket or bag. With room for up to 4 keys, it helps you stay organized and eliminates the clutter of traditional keychains. This key cover also includes a handy carrying attachment for larger items like car keys or fobs. Number 7. Keyport Pivot 2.0 Premium Key Organizer, the premium key organizer that's redefining how you carry your keys. Meticulously designed for both style and functionality, this sleek and compact key organizer transforms your traditional jingling keychain into a modern, organized, and efficient EDC tool. Crafted with precision, the Keyport Pivot 2.0 features a sturdy and lightweight aluminum chassis that securely holds up to 8 keys, reducing bulk and eliminating pocket discomfort. Its modular design also accommodates various Keyport accessories, from USB drives to multi-tools, adding versatility to your everyday carry. The Keyport Pivot 2.0 is more than just a key organizer. It's a smart solution that keeps your keys neatly organized and easily accessible, whether you're navigating the urban jungle or tackling outdoor adventures. Number 6. Leatherman Tread, a wearable multi-tool that combines style and function in a one-of-a-kind package. This meticulously designed bracelet is a true engineering marvel, featuring 29 different tools seamlessly integrated into its rugged stainless steel links. From screwdrivers to wrenches, bottle openers to cutting hooks, the Tread equips you for a wide range of tasks, making it an essential accessory for adventurers, die enthusiasts, and professionals alike. Its SUC-compliant design ensures you can wear it wherever you go, ensuring you always have the tools you need right at your fingertips. The Leatherman Tread is not just a multi-tool, it's a statement piece that showcases craftsmanship and utility in perfect harmony, elevating your everyday carry to a whole new level. Number 5. Keysmart Pro Key Holder of Tile, the ultimate key holder equipped with tile tracking technology. This innovative device takes key organization to the next level, ensuring you never lose your keys again. The Keysmart Pro is meticulously designed with convenience in mind, offering a sleek and compact frame that securely holds up to 14 keys, reducing bulk and eliminating the jingling and poking of traditional keychains. With built-in tile tracking, You can use your smartphone to locate your keys within a 400-foot range, making frantic searches a thing of the past. It also features a powerful LED flashlight, perfect for finding keyholes in the dark. Whether you're rushing out the door or on an adventure, the Keysmart Pro ensures your keys are easily accessible and never misplaced, adding simplicity and peace of mind to your daily routine. Elevate your key game with the Keysmart Pro and experience the future of key organization and tracking, where technology and design unite seamlessly. 4. Orbitkey 2.0 Key Organizer. A stylish and functional solution to declutter your keychain and transform your daily carry. This meticulously designed key organizer combines sleek aesthetics with practicality to streamline your life. Crafted from premium leather or durable elastomer, it offers a sophisticated look and a comfortable feel in your hand. The Orbitkey 2.0 features a secure locking mechanism that keeps your keys neatly organized, eliminating the bulk and noise of traditional keychains. It also includes a range of add-on accessories like a multi-tool or USB drive, adding versatility to your everyday carry. Whether you're a minimalist or simply seeking a more organized key setup, the Orbitkey 2.0 elevates your style and efficiency in one elegant package. Upgrade your key organization with a tool that combines form and function seamlessly and simplifies your daily routine. Number 3. Keyport Pivot Key Organizer Pocket Key Holder. EDC Multi-Tool Keychain. A pocket-sized marvel designed to revolutionize how you carry your keys and tools. Meticulously engineered for both form and function, this sleek and compact key organizer reimagines your traditional keychain, reducing bulk and eliminating the jangling noise. Crafted with precision, it securely holds up to 9 keys, ensuring they're always neatly organized and easily accessible. But the Keyport Pivot is more than just a key organizer. It's a versatile multi-tool keychain that can accommodate a range of accessories, from USB drives to mini flashlights and even a bottle opener. Whether you're navigating city streets or embarking on outdoor adventures, the Keyport Pivot ensures your keys and essential tools are right at your fingertips. Experience the perfect fusion of style and functionality with the Keyport Pivot Key Organizer and elevate your everyday carry to a new level of convenience and efficiency. Number 2. Key Armor Pocket Key Organizer by Superior Titanium Products. A true game changer in key organization and EDC functionality. This meticulously designed key organizer redefines how you carry your keys, elevating both style and practicality. Crafted from premium-grade titanium, it's not just incredibly durable, but also incredibly lightweight, offering a sleek and minimalist profile. The key armor securely holds up to 6 keys, reducing bulk and eliminating the traditional keychain jingling. Its unique pivoting design allows for quick and easy access to your keys, streamlining your daily routine. Whether you're a minimalist seeking a more organized key setup or an enthusiast who values craftsmanship and innovation, the Key Armor Pocket Key Organizer delivers convenience and reliability, making it a must-have for your gear. Elevate your key game with a titanium organizer that's as tough as it is stylish. Number 1. Rhinokey Everyday Carry Multifunctional Key Organizer. The ultimate solution to streamline your keychain and elevate your everyday carry game. This meticulously designed key organizer is engineered for versatility and efficiency, offering a sleek and compact frame that securely holds up to 14 keys, reducing bulk and preventing the usual keychain jumble. Beyond organization, the Rhinokey is a true multi-tool powerhouse. It features a built-in LED flashlight, bottle opener, and a variety of optional attachments like a USB drive or a mini multi-tool, ensuring you're always prepared for any situation. Whether you're a minimalist seeking a more organized key setup or someone who craves versatility and convenience in their everyday carry, the Rhinokey delivers on all fronts, simplifying your life and adding a touch of style to your essentials.